3DViewStation has an office-like user interface, including a recent list, all these various ribbons with logically organized functionality, um, a search field, possibility to change the language, and also an About button. Additionally, we do have some panes with certain information like structure tree properties and so forth. How to work with these panes? You can eh, just drag and drop them outside to somewhere to have them, let's say, run in an independent window, especially for instance, if you have so many views like in this case, you can drag and drop them back to the position, underneath, on top, to the right, to the left, wherever you would like to have them. Once dropped, you can again click it and drag and drop it to the position you would like to see it. Besides that, and this is what I like to do, especially for the settings, is settings is very large, so I'd like to pin it to the right side. So whenever I open it, after a while, it will automatically disappear, but it's still available all the time. So another basic concept is working with selection. So if you select an object, immediately in the property window, all properties of that object will be displayed, and you can even modify them, like changing the color in our case. If you click on the background, it will show you the properties of the background. So let's change the background color in this case to green. Now in the views, you can select the current view you would like to update. So we will update the color of the background. We can select now multiple other views and also apply the same background for these views. Now, when clicking on objects, they will automatically also be highlighted in the structure tree and vice versa. And of course, as before, the properties will be displayed. So all these three windows work together. Let's come back to settings and colors. Settings, we have many settings. So searching for instance, color makes sense. And here you see there's also a setting for the background color, another possibility to change it for the current scene, for the default, also for the selection colors.